this is part 2. I am going to show you how to make some moderation commands. So first client.uni and so async def on message. So this means whenever some send a message, this will record the message. So type message, so this will record the message and store it in message variable. So let's make if so if myself dot author equals self dot author. Okay guys, we are going to add a self method here. So this will basically, I don't know it will what will do it, but I think to prevent the bot from replying to 8 messages. So now AW endpoints. So I'm going to create a list and this. Now I am going to create a variable called message content equals message dot content. Okay, it will store what the message is. So if length of message content is greater than 0, this means it will not be less than 0. So forward in backward, so it will iterate through each word in the list. So if in message content, so if it's the word is in the message, so it will delete the message instantly. Okay, I think this will work perfectly. So I'm just going to run it. So wait until it's done. Okay guys, now I'm going to test but here it is not deleting. Okay, so think there is an error, so I will instantly fix it. Welcome back guys. The problem is we are need to remove the self because that one message take one argument called message. If you want to do that we have done, we have to if message dot author equal your birth name here, it must be a string and written. So you can do it, but we're not going to do that. Okay. Now make another command. Ban command. So guys, we are creating a ban command. So we're typing ban. Okay guys, so ctx, and here we also take a parameter called member. So which member? So it's this code dot member. Okay guys, so must type capital M, it will one eye, it will throw an error, and also a parameter reason. So currently we are giving the reason none. Okay guys, so the reason is none. We will change the reason later. Okay guys, so now we have to await so member. So we click member.man. So member.ban and reason equals reason, as the reason is already we have defined. Okay, so I think this will work properly, but okay, there error. Okay, none is not defined. So I'm going to give a reason. Currently we are giving testing. Okay, this reason is one hybrid. So run it. Okay, as you can see, this will not work. And again guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video.